Okay, so we finally found out how to turn it on. We spent 2 hours doing this, trying to set it up, trying to figure out what was going wrong. I was like, Tim, this isn't working, it's broke, we need to send it back. I refused to read the manual. So Tim read the manual, and guess how long it took him to find out how to turn it on?
2 minutes.
Yeah, we have the gang here, the whole gang doing gang activities. But yeah, we're just going in town again. We're going to do a photo shoot, and this time we're going to do a video shoot. Where's my baby? Go to bed. Hey guys, so we just arrived to the docks here. I think the game plan is we're going to chill here and get some few shots. Tim's just doing some bicep curls. Holy shit, dude, you're actually getting a good pump. So we're just finished with the shoot there, we're going to our next location. So my method on putting them, oh, can you open the door for me please bro?
There you go sir, there you go sir.
Thank you very much. Okay, my method is stick the Ronin in between the seats like this. There, flush. Anybody looking personal train, look for Adrian, big biceps, big dreams. Just do it! Guys, the worst thing just happened. I was eating chocolate and I got over my t-shirt. Fuck! 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 Screwed it guys, absolutely screwed it. So we just got parked up there and I think we're going to go to the museum. Because last time we went it was closed, so hopefully this time we'll be open. Okay, so we are at the art museum at the minute. We're just trying to scoop around the place and we just finished shooting there. My camera ran out of battery so I had to make do of just watching. So we're just finished recording there. Adrian pretending to look at pictures. Did you seep in any artistic information?
So who is your favourite artist?
Hey Adrian, who is your favourite artist?
I don't have a clue. I don't know any artist. Oh, this album.
Guys, I love Game of Thrones. Just wrapping out some curls to get his biceps nice and pumped for next shoot. Is it like the most expensive dumbbell you've ever curled?
Yes.
It's the guy that just worked here like started questioning us what we were doing. And yeah, we somehow just, I don't know, somehow it just came along that we're fashion students and this is our final year and things are getting rough for us. And Adrian here's a model. And apparently I designed this top. I don't mind. There's you, fathead. You're so sexy. Okay, so that's us done for today for the museum. We'll probably come back another day. This is like Tim's favourite place. He's steeping in art. Doesn't Adrian's new favourite place now? Are you inspired now?
Actually, I'm gonna go home and do some painting.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna go home and paint something too. Are you, Tim?
Yep, I'm gonna paint a wall.
I'm so inspired. I want to paint a wall. Adrian, I'll see you later.
See you later, bro. Good day. Good day with you.
Your car is actually like the perfect thing to hold my Ronin. Like. And I set it and all for the next trip. So Hugo and I are just on my way to my parents' house here. I'm bringing my laptop because yeah, I need to leech off their internet to upload the vloggy vlog. Stay, my beautiful. You ready, boy? Let's go. Any bubs with the hiccup? All the dogs be fed. Mac? Hello, boy. Hello, son. How are you? Oh, damn, you stink. You smell like the sea. Seaside. Very happy these dogs always are. Smile. Smile. Ah. Smelly dog. Granny is the dog master. When your head gets tired, just rest your head on the table. Yo, what's up? Me and Tim are just going to do another project shoot at the minute. I'm doing a video and he's doing the photos. You excited?
Oh yes.
Yeah. We got the Ronin in the back. sitting nice and tucked in. I'm so freaking excited! Excited!
Park. Right. You're at the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, so we're just on our way to the Europa Hotel. We're going to meet the talent over there. The models! Oh, what's up?
Alright guys, what's happening? Alright bro?
What about Wednesday? What happened on Wednesday?
Alright bro, what's happening? How are you keeping? All good?
I seen your vlog.
What happened on Wednesday?
Me and you were meant to get a shit.
Oh shit, were we?
Yeah, and I was like... Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm just finishing off editing a few projects here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the small segments of videos I've been up to recently. You know, I feel as if every time I shoot more and more projects, I gain more confidence in what I'm doing. I mean, if I didn't throw myself all the way into the deep end, I wouldn't have learned half the stuff I know now. Saying that, I don't think I'm an expert at what I do on filmmaking. There's definitely a lot of stuff I still need to learn. But I'm eager guys, I love it. You know, that involves learning more about my visual vocabulary, learning new editing programs and new software, and also mastering camera settings, camera equipments, color grading, you know, just generally mastering it and making good habits. You know, I've always wanted to learn filmmaking, and like I've been so lucky to have good friends from I Love Bass and Hype Factory. These guys are killing the show at the minute. If you guys want to see what they do, I'll link them in the bottom. So these guys, they've let me in to help them out, so I definitely learned a lot from them and like how they execute projects. And saying that, I've made a lot of new friends this year who are really inspiring. You know, just people who are just go-getters and know how to get stuff done. So saying that, I'm really grateful for all the people that stumbled in my life, and also my sister Lindy, who is like the hardest worker I know. To be able to accomplish what she's done and stay humble and give back to the world, it's crazy. One day I'll be as inspiring as her, or even I'd be happy to be like half of her. I mean, not height, I mean like half the person she is. Definitely not height, because I would be so small. But anyway guys, my message is, starting something is really scary at first, but sometimes you just need to face the dragon. Early stage is all that matters, even if the money isn't good. Keep learning and don't give up, even if you have like a terribly bad experience. Learn from it. Surround yourself with people who are inspiring with their work ethics and how they accomplish stuff. You know, how they accomplish stuff is really contagious. It really rubs onto you. Finally, we all have good ideas. You just need to learn how to execute stuff, because ideas aren't good if you don't have the execution. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the videos, give it a like. If you love the videos I make, subscribe. Peace, love yous.